series, Home AI app, AI interior design. There are so many of these Home AI apps, literally like hundreds of them, but seems this one became the leader, and right now it creates the best AI interior designs as of right now. So which can be usable and which are kind of inspirational and which can give you some ideas. So you can easily redesign your home in a variety of stunning styles using advanced AI technology. Home AI brings the expertise of an interior designer right into your pocket. Simply take or upload a photo of the room and space you wish to redesign, choose a style, and receive instant interior design alternatives with detail and accuracy. Whether you aim to modernize your living room and add a touch of elegance, so you can just get some kind of ideas like instant room makeover, world of interior design styles, and all of the details. So yeah, so I tried it out. You can instantly see there is like a free trial, 3 days free trials and $10 per week. And here you can see the idea. So there's interior design, where you can just upload a picture, choose a style, and let the AI design the room. So, for example, you trying some complete the redesign of your renovation of your flat, of your house. You can just take the pictures and it will suggest some ideas. Or you're just starting, you just bought, you're building the house and you have nothing in your rooms. You can also just take pictures and it will give you ideas. Then also you can just replace some objects and see how it will look like. So it's also quite cool feature. So you can just, I want to remove this sofa from my room, and then just use the brush and it will show you how the room will look like without this sofa. And then you can just make decisions, for example. Then you can just reference style. So for example, you like everything how it is positioned in your room, but you just want to change the style a bit in future. Like then you can just use it. And then also you can use different paints to see how it might look like. So for example, you just have a photo and then let's just see how it might look like. Choose a room. What is that? So this is, for example, my home office. And then you just select in a style. So custom, modern, tropical, rustic, bohemian, baroque, biophilic, discotheque, Airbnb, Technoland, gamer. So for example, let's say I want to create like a gamer home office and I want to decide, which types of uh, furniture and colors I want to get. So then I just select the palette. I select surprise me, and then let's just start from here. So please don't close the app or lock your device. So then you will see this kind of design, and then you can, if you want, you can regenerate with it. So sometimes it just produces really close to reality designs. Sometimes it's creates some really something. Yeah, so as you can see, this is quite usable design. As you can see, this is not some like crazy images. I just wanted to improve kind of my home office, and this is what it is. So, and then you definitely can have ideas from it and get the ideas what you can buy or which colors to use and things like that. So yeah, quite cool. So for example, you have this, and then you wanna remove this, for example. And then type here the new object you wanna see. Uh, I don't know. I don't want to see any object, and then this is just takes down. So as you can see, I didn't upgrade yet. So I'm just showing you example photos. And this app has very nice pricing policy where you can just have a nice free trial to check it out. But so far from all, yeah, so let's just take a look. All right. So basically, just replaced it with TV or with some cupboard with some other things. And then I just want to generate more. I just, maybe you need to define with your prompts, like you need to write more. Originally, I just wanted for it to be like a white wall, but here. So something like that. So yeah, basically that's the idea of what you can get. And then again, you can get weekly access. There is free trial, uh, 3 days free trials and $10. You can try that. A yearly access, just $40 per year. Faster rendering, ad-free experience, unlimited design renders. So that's what you're getting. So yeah, quite good results, I would say. And this app is very easy to use comparing to other home AI apps. Like if you're using like other room AI apps, basically it's becomes complicated. Some of them require your like plan of the room of the apartment, like some drawings, like 10 photos and stuff like that, and it just becomes complicated. And also the UI there is not as intuitive as here. So here it's more fun. So for example, I uh, add a photo of your room and then take a photo to use it as a reference. So then you can just have like another photo which is the style you want to have. So for example, let's say you were visiting your friends and you really like the style there, some of the elements. So you're just taking photos of their apartment, of their house. So you're just taking these photos and then you just apply these photos to your apartment. So like using it this way. So it's kind of fun. So instead of yourself thinking all of the details, like how to apply each element to that, you just, yeah. So for example, you will apply this design like this. So there you have it. This is like the technology you have in here. And yeah, then the final feature is that you just can select paint, and then you just select all of these, and then you just select the different paint. So for example, I just wanted to change the color of this uh, wall. Whatever. And then you can select color. So I want to, for example, apply yellow color to that, just an example. And then let's see just how it will look like. So again, it can be super helpful when you want to decide which kind of color you want to paint, and like whether this will be a nice color. And then yeah, something like that. I mean, it's kind of basic, but you will get the idea how it might look like. um, yeah, kind of, that's the idea. You can of course make it much more perfect, with all the prompting and all the much better brushing. So that's just the idea. And then yeah, again, you can just start creating with all of the details, and then you have your board, your details in here, and yeah, all your previous results in here. So that's, you have settings, you can share it with friends. So yeah, that's just what you have in here. That's the app, and go give it a try. Right now is in top charts for home AI design. Really well made app. So as you can see, here is the app, number one in graphics and design. So definitely worth it. So yeah, thanks for watching.